Hey everyone, it's Gabe here from Gabe Games. Welcome to another video. Well, today I'm going to be doing a review on my brand new Fidget Cube. Okay, I just realized that I gotta move my camera here and I gotta turn on the light, so I'll be right back. Stay right there. That's better. So guys, today I'm going to be using my brand new Fidget Cube. Right here. Right here. It's there. It's everywhere. My brand new Fidget Cube. I'm going to review every space on it. So first, I'm going to show you the one that a lot of people use the most of the time. The joystick. So now, with the joystick, let me move my camera down a little bit more. Okay, wait. Yep, there we go. Okay, wait. Okay, that's enough moving. So the joystick, right up here, right here. So with the joystick, you can do whatever. I don't know. So with the joystick, you can. You guys can see here. You can put your thumb on it. You could jiggle it around. And then you could move it around all the time and push it in sometimes, like that. So yeah, that's the joystick. Now, next we have Okay, so guys, next we have the switch. So with that switch, you can click it on like this. You can do it with your thumb. You can do that with your thumbs as well, but it's too hard because I'm trying to actually get on the camera. So yeah, you can do it with your thumb. You can also do it with, if you take your pointer finger, put it right here, and then do this. It'll go pretty fast. So that is the switch. Now next, guys, is going to be the 5-button push. The old one, let me get that one out real quick. This one's used. So the joystick broke off, but that one still works. You will do it with the 5 buttons. These 2 don't click, and these 3 do. Now with the new one, all of them do. So that's that. Oh yeah, you guys know the normal fidget spinner one that you get, like in that normal case. That's the kind of Fidget Cube I have. It comes in that kind of box with the same pattern. It'll say the 2 colors. The main color, as for this area, the black, it will say that on the left, and then the color that are for all the buttons except for this one, which is always metal, will say that, and mine was N because it was neon green. And we'll also show you the colors. So, and it, so after the switch, we have the 5. Here we get the 5 buttons. Now we have the spinner one. I believe this is from the fidget spinner, but I'm not exactly sure. You can spin it with your finger like that. You can spin it like this. or you can just do this to it. I recommend not the third one though. Next we have the, sorry, I'm very close to open windows. Next we have the fiddle stone. You can rub your finger on it like that, like the normal fiddle stones that you guys might have. It's a stone with a little dent in it, like this. And then you can just like rub your finger on it, and it's very soothing. And last but not least, we have the most complicated one, the best one, I believe. No, it's pretty good. So you have these 3 gears. You can move with your thumb, your finger. You can move one at a time to make this satisfying sound like this. And you also have this little silver ball. Now, with this ball, you can roll it in any way, and you can click your name. Now, this will rust because it is I don't know how to explain it, but it's like a metal. Here, it's like, wait, you know the metal zippers that you guys might have, the metal parts. I think that's what it is. So yeah, you can use that. So yeah, that's it. So if you guys will just give me a second, I got to do something real quick. Alright guys, I'm back. I did the thing I needed to do, and now I will show you guys a little thing that you can use. So if your school allows fidget cubes, but you're learning and you are and you want to use it, I suggest using the spinning part, the joystick, the ball without clicking it, so don't do that, just roll it, and the fiddle stone. The rest are loud. That can be loud. That can be loud. That can be loud. And yeah. So that is all for today's video, and if you did like this, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you already have subscribed, please hit that notification button to know when I upload videos and when I do them. So please again leave a like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and then you will be very satisfied by clicking the bell. Every time you click the bell, well, if you click the bell, I am making a video soon of a bell dinging. So when you click that bell, you better go to the video and watch it. So the video is going to be called Notification Bell, and every time that you do it, you can watch that video, but you may not watch that video until you have hit that notification button, unless you just wanted to, so it doesn't really matter. So that is all for you guys today. So that is all, folks. So goodbye, peace out.